Difficulty keeping an erection. Can ED be cured? If one has trouble keeping an erection during sex and repeatedly happening, it is a sign of ED. The problem of ED is recurrent and constant inability to gain and maintain phallus. ED, like any other health problem, has underlying causes. In general, it is believed as a psychological problem than a physical one. In the opinion of experts in ancient medical treatises, ED is a problem that can have physical and psychological causes. The factors that raise the physical and psychological causes can be many and make this problem tricky to treat. Simple measures mainly do not help males suffering from ED. If ED is in a young male, the chances are high that it is occurring due to psychological problems than physical. In males above the age of 30, physical causes are equally high as psychological ones, and as age progresses, physical causes become more prominent. Unfortunately, the most common health disorders of modern times are also common causes of ED. Even the treatment and medication for specific health problems affect males' potency and can raise the problem of ED. Proper treatment is required for males repeatedly facing difficulty keeping an erection. In this video, you will know how to keep erection rock hard naturally without coming out quickly.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Dealing with ED problems. Males feel embarrassed and do not want to mention ED, not even to the doctor. In young males, psychological problems like fear of pregnancy, disease, nervousness, etc., bring episodes of ED. A young mind is immature, hence it panics. The panic attacks make a young male more prone to suffer failures in the future. If at this stage young male starts avoiding romance, problem prospers and progresses. In adult males, along with psychological factors, even physical factors come into play. Restricted blood flow towards genitals, nerve disorders, and hormonal problems are most common. Adult males also suffer from ED due to smoking, drinking excessively, leading a hectic daily life, eating a poor diet, and health problems like sugar, BP, cholesterol, etc. Adult males also try to cover up the problem instead of taking the treatment. Such negligence only makes the problem graver and more challenging to treat. Intercepting the problem early with proper care can reverse the weaknesses and save a male from depression and embarrassment. Having trouble keeping an erection during sex is neither a reason to panic nor to be careless. It needs just the right kind of attention and handling. Natural supplements for ED. If a man is facing difficulty keeping an erection repeatedly, taking supportive herbs is most reliable, safe, and beneficial. Natural supplements provide an easy way to use multiple herbs conveniently. Tufan capsules come with a blend of herbs that increase testosterone hormone level, increase nutrient supply, improve energy production and circulate more energy in the male reproductive system. These also eliminate free radicals and toxins and improve nerve functions. Males gain riddance from side effects of health problems and treatments due to the positive impact of herbs. Topical application with gentle massage of King Cobra oil improves blood flow, cures nerve debilities, regenerates penile tissues, and strengthens manhood to cure weaknesses. These benefits cure signs of ED and boost up males' potency naturally. Regular use of these supplements brings significant improvement in the quality of phallus and also its size. Male not only makes love with fervor but can do it in back-to-back sessions. These supplements have a tremendous impact on a male's stamina and strength, and fertility to optimize his masculinity. Young to elderly males of all ages can use these supplements for desired results. Herbs balance hormone release and flush harmful hormones and chemicals out of the system to curb emotional disorders and psychological problems. These even dilute the ill effects of bad habits in the past and rejuvenate men's overall health and virility. If you want to know how to get Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Do's and don'ts. One should stay away from anxiety if there are occasional episodes of ED. Avoid recreational products strictly and unnecessary sexual stimulations. Eat a nutritious diet and maintain a proper sleeping pattern. Exercise with weights as much as body permits. Sometimes just a passing problem can raise the symptoms, which is nothing to worry about. But if the problem is repeatedly arising, there should not be delays in taking the treatment. Conclusion. The problem of ED can affect young to elderly males. Natural supplements Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil can deal with the problem efficiently and safely. These capsules and oil are harmless and do not pose any risk of over-treatment or side effects. Even if symptoms are minor, one should not delay the treatment to tap the problem early and gain relief. If males face weaknesses due to health problems, these supplements can be used without any risk of contradiction or ill effects to protect potency. The problem of ED can make a male depressed and lonely. It is harmful to the relationship and hurts the partner. Proper treatment with Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil is most beneficial. World's finest erectile dysfunction supplements.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.